In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Drive and Google Contacts. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of managing your contacts and ensuring they are seamlessly integrated with your Google Drive. So, sit back and let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Drive on your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll notice a grid of 9 small dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This is often referred to as the Google Apps grid. It's a simple but powerful tool, giving you access to a whole host of Google services from Gmail to Calendar and, of course, contacts. Go ahead and click on that grid. Now that you've clicked on the grid, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various Google applications. This is where you'll select Contacts. This application is particularly valuable because it houses all the information about your colleagues, family, and friends, all neatly organized in one place. By clicking on Contacts, you'll be taken to a new page displaying your contacts list. With the Google Contacts page open, you now have several options. If you're looking to sync or import contacts, this is where you can do it. On the left-hand side, you'll find options for importing, exporting, or simply syncing your contacts to ensure they're up to date and easily accessible whenever you need them. It's a straightforward process. Just click on the option that best suits your needs, whether it's importing a new list of contacts from a file or syncing your existing contacts to ensure everything is current. Google provides a user-friendly interface, so follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Once you finish managing your contacts, the next step takes us back to Google Drive. Thanks to Google's integration capabilities, any changes or updates you make in contacts are automatically synced with your Google Drive. There's no extra step required from your side. Simply return to your Drive and it will all be there, perfectly integrated and ready for you to use. This automatic syncing feature is designed to save you time and ensure that your data is always aligned across Google's various platforms. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage your contacts and ensure everything is in sync with Google Drive. Keeping track of your contacts and documents doesn't have to be complicated, and Google's seamless integration makes this task even simpler. We hope this guide helps you feel more confident using Google Drive and contacts. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.